Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Adobe Illustrator error. The operation cannot be completed because there isn't enough RAM available. We'll resolve this with a simple solution. So let's dive straight in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and go to the top menu. Click on Edit, then navigate to Preferences. You can also press Ctrl-K on your keyboard to open the Preferences window. In the Preferences menu, look for Plugins and Scratch Disk and click on it. Under the Scratch Disk section, you'll see the primary and secondary disk options. By default, the primary Scratch Disk is usually set to C drive, where most of your files and Illustrator data are stored. Ensure that the C drive is selected as both the primary and secondary disk. This will allocate more disk space for Illustrator to use as temporary memory. Once you've made the changes, click OK and restart Adobe Illustrator. Now open Illustrator again and create a new document to check if the error is resolved. And that's it. Your issue should now be fixed. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.